Hello and welcome back, and thank you for joining us on another French road trip. In this series we're exploring northern Brittany from Malo over to Roscoff, some inland and some like here on the coast. So please grab a cup of tea or a glass of Breton cider and come with us and enjoy the views. Hi, I'm Nige.
I'm Adele, and this is Archie.
Welcome to our benivanadventures. Hello and welcome back to the channel and a little bonus video. You join us as we're exploring the Abers. The term Abers refers to coastal estuaries located in Finistère department of northern Brittany. The word Abers is derived from the Celtic word for estuary. The longest and largest of the three Abers is Wrac'h. Aber Ildut is the smallest and narrowest of the three inlets, and it's also the premier seaweed harvesting port. And the third one, the Aber Benoît, and is well known the world over for its high quality oysters. It's a really scenic drive, so we thought we'd put our dashcam video clips together and you can come with us and enjoy the views.
Well, no, where the lighthouse is at the top there, that point. And then, well, we got those goat keys and control slices. You'll have to have a picture without bread. Can't get any bread. Or have something else and have picture tomorrow. very dangerous to drive with that hanging around your ankles. So what we want to do now is get over towards where the lighthouse is.
Yeah.
The fair.
Yeah. That is.
So we don't want to
No, the down there.
yeah, we just leave that round that off.
Oh, stop.
if you enjoyed our little video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for our next Benivan adventure. If you would like to follow us on our travels, we're on Facebook. We're also on Instagram. And now you can read our van life diaries on our webpage. We'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.